This video starts at the same place as the previous one, and that's because we're reviewing the hotel this time. It's Locanda Al Pomodoro. That's this building you're looking at, mix of brick and red wall. It's 3 stars in a 12th century building. Can you believe it looks this good? And it's almost like 1,000 years old. But it's located in the historical center of Cividale del Friuli, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and you can see a walking tour as well on my channel. Let's see the room very quickly. It's nothing flashy, but fits perfectly into what I just told you about the town and this building. It was clean, cozy, everything we needed for one night. My favorite parts were number 1, the hosts, and 2, this view. Just loved it. So peaceful and full of, small town vibes. And now the best part, breakfast. It's not self-service. They make some suggestions and you order what you like. And in our case, they brought more than we asked for. So we're right now walking through this closed area. I assume that's used when the weather is bad, but there's a terrace, as you will see very quickly. We absolutely loved everything. It was local and fresh produce, and I would seriously go back there just for that. All in all, amazing experience, recommended 10 out of 10.